Welcome to the transformed WHZ Strategic Wealth Advisors headquarters here in beautiful Pomfret, Connecticut. After 10 months of thoughtful renovation, we're thrilled to share this space that represents our unwavering commitment to providing you, our clients, with an amplified client experience where our outstanding team delivers you absolute confidence, unwavering partnership for life.
This renovation reflects everything we stand for at WHZ. The same careful planning and attention to detail we bring to managing our clients' wealth. We preserve the historic charm of this beautiful building while integrating cutting-edge technology and accessibility features that ensure everyone feels welcome. Every detail was designed with our clients in mind, from enhanced collaboration spaces that allow our team to deliver better service, to technology that seamlessly connects whether you're here in person or joining us virtually. This is our investment in delivering an exceptional wealth management experience at every touch point. No matter how you meet with us, in Pomfret, in Tolland, or online, our commitment to delivering value is unwavering.
The external world is changing rapidly in the wealth management space. At WHZ, we're getting ahead of these changes by investing in our people, our processes, and our physical infrastructure. This Pomfret expansion represents our commitment to continually amplifying the client experience as our firm carefully grows. Come along with us as we take you through this remarkable transformation, a space designed not just for today, but for the decades of partnership ahead.
From September 2024 through May 2025, WHZ Strategic Wealth Advisors embarked on a transformative journey for our flagship office in Pomfret, Connecticut. Working with Woodstock Building Associates, we reimagined the space to better serve our clients, create greater efficiency for our team, and to provide a modern, welcoming, and truly enjoyable space in which to do it all. Every detail was carefully considered, from preserving the historic charm of our building to integrating cutting-edge technology. This renovation represents our commitment to provide an exceptional wealth management experience at every touch point. Welcome to the new and improved WHZ Pomfret office. As you approach, you'll notice our commitment to accessibility with ADA-compliant features that ensure everyone feels welcome. The clean lines of the reception area reflect our organized approach to managing our wealth, while the integrated counter and warm decor set the stage for our friendly conversations and catch-up. In the adjacent client welcome area, we've created a calming environment designed to put you at ease. Every detail was carefully selected, down to the leather chairs that literally embrace you, providing that same sense of support and comfort that we strive for to provide to each of our clients. Our expanded refreshment station offers premium coffee options because we believe that the details matter. Whether you prefer a simple cup of coffee or a specialty crafted latte, we're here to make your visit not just productive, but as enjoyable as possible. Our new conference room accommodates up to 36 people with an 85-inch screen and state-of-the-art technology for both in-person and virtual meetings. The modular table design allows us to configure the space for any need, whether it's for a comprehensive financial planning session, a family meeting, or a community seminar. Notice the crown molding and exposed beams, architectural details that connect the area's bucolic colonial heritage with modern functionality. Natural light floods the space, and the windowed walls provide forested views, creating an environment that's both impressive and peaceful. Each advisor office has been transformed with higher ceilings that create an open, airy feel, as well as identical technology throughout, ensuring a consistent experience no matter which advisor you're meeting with. The architectural details, color palette, and forest views create an environment that's both professional and serene. Our associate wealth advisors now have dedicated spaces designed for collaboration as well. Each area includes additional seating for team members or clients, supporting our comprehensive, team-based approach to wealth management. Print centers and refreshment stations are strategically located throughout the office, ensuring a consistent, high-quality experience and seamless service delivery. Even our client bathrooms reflect the same attention to detail. This renovation reflects everything we stand for here at WHZ: thoughtful planning, attention to detail, and an unwavering commitment to excellence. We carefully designed this space to better serve our clients now and in the future, and we bring that same level of care and precision to fulfilling our promise to provide our clients with the best and the absolute confidence with unwavering partnership for life.